Hi everyone, let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English. We are now in series 1P. Yong pe, the series 1P tha, ngai the rao Jinghpaw ga, English ga pe, mutut na khajala ga ngosoch ga dadai. Shong nan ndai tha madundai ga sini pe, ante khajala ga. Firstly, let's learn all those terms. Omnipresent, adjective, present everywhere at the same time. Omni, that is a Latin root, meaning is all. Omnipresent God, meaning is God is capable of being everywhere at the same time. Omnipresence, now, meaning is all present. Omnipresent, meaning is present everywhere at the same time. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, dai atenta kalangta shagu anganga ai. Omni, meaning is all. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, yong or nga mga. Omnipresent God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, shara shagu nga ai Kărai Kăsang. God is capable of being everywhere at the same time. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Kărai Kăsang go dai atenta kalangta shara shagu nga lu ai asamrong ai. Omnipresence, now, shara shagu nga ai lam. All present, shara shagu ta nga ai. The omnipresent God, that is one of the attributes of God. We are going to continue to learn about the omnipresent God with some scriptures. Shara shagu nga ai Kărai Kăsang go Kărai Kăsang a nsam kumla shingkang langai re dai lampe e jajum ga ni the ante matut na khajala ga. Psalm chapter 139 verse 7 to 10. Where can I go from your spirit? Or where can I flee from your presence? If I ascend into heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in hell, behold, you are there. If I take the wings of the morning and dwelt in the uttermost part of the sea, even there your hand shall lead me, and your right hand shall hold me. Shăkawn Kungdawn Laika, dogba lasa, sum shijiku, dogaji senit gona shi. Na a Wenyi the, ngai kanang e khalu na ngkha. Na a myiman na gade, hprawng lu na ma. Sum sing lumu de lungwayang, dayang e na nga dai. Kasan ga e ngai penyep nyep yang, dai tha e mong na nga dai. Jupot manap a singko phe, ngai la na namugdara a jatum e dunga yang, dayang e mong na a lata ngai phe wewa na a kralata ngai phe jumnga nara ai. Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 23 to 24. Am I a God near at hand, says the Lord, and not a God afar off? Can anyone hide himself in secret places, so I shall not see him, says the Lord? Do I not fill heaven and earth, says the Lord? Jeremiah Laika dogba kun musum Togaji kun musum go na kun mali ngai go ni ai shara e krai Kărai wa rai nga ni sanai shara e mong Kărai wa rai nga ngai nrai ni nga na Yehovah sun ai ngai mu lu kra shimai shara tha kadai wa makoi nga lu a ta nga na Yehovah sun ai ngai go sumsing lu mu the ginding aga phe chipring lu ai nrai ni nga na Yehovah sun ai. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 3. The eyes of the Lord are in every place, keeping watch on the evil and the good. Kashukop Laika dogaba shimnga dogaji masum Yehovah a mi go shara shagu khan e madanga na gaja ai the gaja ai phe kingkha yunga ai. I hope you enjoyed this series, learning languages with the scriptures, as well as learning the attributes of God. Thanks for joining with me. Yong phe grai je juguba sai yo phangde bai khrum ga